Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Are you tired of working hard but still not seeing your savings grow? You're not alone. Millions of people put in long hours at work only to find that their bank accounts remain stagnant or worse, depleted. The good news is that there's a smarter or strategic way to make your money work for you, and it doesn't require a finance degree or winning the lottery. It's all about understanding how money works and using that knowledge to your advantage. Making money like smart people do isn't just about earning a big paycheck. It's about the decisions you make with that money once it hits your account. You could earn six figures and still feel broke if you don't manage your money wisely. The truly financially successful understand that building wealth is a combination of mindset, strategy, and consistent habits. They treat every dollar as an opportunity, not just a tool for spending, but a seed that can be planted and grown over time. The first step is self-awareness. Many of our financial behaviors are shaped by past experiences, cultural beliefs, and habits we've picked up along the way. Maybe you grew up in a household where money was always tight, or perhaps you were never taught how to budget. Whatever the case, understanding your financial mindset is crucial. Smart people constantly question their money habits and are willing to shift their behavior. It is not getting them closer to their goals. Smart moneymakers also place a high value on financial literacy. They know that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to personal finance. They educate themselves on budgeting, investing, credit management, taxes, and the economy. This knowledge allows them to make informed decisions, avoid common traps like payday loans or overspending on credit, and plan effectively for the future. They understand that financial literacy is not a one-time lesson, but an ongoing journey. Another common misconception is that financial success requires a high income. While a good income certainly helps, it's not the full picture. Many people earning average or even below average incomes have managed to build wealth through discipline, budgeting, and smart investing. On the flip side, countless high earners live paycheck to paycheck due to poor financial choices. The key difference lies in how you manage what you earn, not just how much you earn. Living below your means is one of the most powerful financial habits you can adopt. That doesn't mean you have to live a joyless or ultra-frugal life. It simply means spending intentionally, distinguishing between wants and needs, and aligning your spending with your values and long-term goals. Smart individuals focus on spending money on what truly matters to them and cutting back on things that do and add value to their lives. One of the most effective ways smart people build wealth is by investing early and consistently. They understand the power of compound interest, the concept of earning interest on both your initial investment and the interest it already earned. Even small investments made early can snowball into substantial wealth over time. Retirement accounts, index funds, real estate, and dividend stocks are just a few of the tools they use to grow their wealth passively. Creating multiple income streams is another key strategy. Relying solely on a single salary can be risky, especially in today's uncertain economy. Savvy individuals look for ways to diversify their income through freelancing, side hustles, rental properties, online businesses, or investments. These extra income sources not only provide financial security, but also accelerate wealth building and create freedom from being solely dependent on one job. Avoiding high-interest debt is equally important. Credit cards, payday loans, and other forms of consumer debt can be financially crippling. Smart people work diligently to avoid or pay off such debt quickly, understanding that every dollar paid in interest is a dollar not working for them. Instead, they focus on maintaining a healthy credit score, paying bills on time, and using credit strategically when needed, not impulsively. Building an emergency fund is another non-negotiable. Life is unpredictable. Whether it's a medical bill, car repair, or sudden job loss, having a financial cushion prevents you from falling into debt during tough times. Most experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This provides peace of mind and keeps you financially stable when life throws a curveball. Smart people are also strategic with taxes. They don't wait until tax season to think about deductions or liabilities. Instead, they plan ahead, using retirement accounts, business expenses, and tax-advantaged investments to legally reduce their tax burden. This way, they keep more of what they earn and funnel those savings into investments and long-term goals. One often overlooked strategy is the power of goal setting and tracking progress. Financially successful individuals set clear, measurable goals, whether it's paying off $10,000 in debt, saving for a down payment, or retiring by 50. They break those goals into actionable steps and regularly track their progress. This gives them clarity, motivation, and a roadmap to follow. It turns dreams into concrete plans. They also surround themselves with a supportive environment, whether that's mentors, online communities, books, or podcasts. Smart money management isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you learn from. Being around financially savvy people or consuming financial education content regularly helps you stay focused and inspired. Ultimately, making money like smart people do is less about luck and more about behavior. It's about consistently making wise decisions, staying informed, and being intentional with your financial choices. It's about adopting a long-term view and understanding that wealth isn't built overnight. It's built day by day, dollar by dollar, through consistent action. So, if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or discouraged about your finances, know that you're not alone, and more importantly, you're not powerless. Financial freedom is within your reach. You just need to take that first step. Learn, plan, act, and stay consistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more powerful tips on personal finance, investing, and smart money management. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.